Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed the topic of addition subtraction of these algebraic expressions. So on black screen, red is looking scary. Okay, scary is okay, no problem. Now we have understood that like terms can be added easily. So now you are not joining with mobile. Yes, I'm not joining with mobile because that was little problematic to look at both the sides. Let us see the examples. First, the question one, or shall we do the examples only? We can go for the examples also. Okay, let's go for the example so that you can solve the exercise on your own. Okay, but you have to promise that you will solve it on your own. Example number 4 I'm taking. It is saying collect like terms and simplify the expression. Try to understand. Collect like terms and simplify the expression. So what do we have in the example? 12m square minus 9m plus 5m minus 4m square minus 7m plus 10. So class, the question is saying you have to simplify. But how to simplify? For simplification, we need to see which terms are like terms. We can write them together and then we can solve the question easily. First, you need to understand you have 12m square. Is there any term which is like? So we have 12m square and 4m square as like terms. So we can do is we can write them together. We can write like this: 12m square minus 4m square. So now they both are written together for our ease. Just for our ease, I've done this. Now, very good, Ekta, Kritika. Sir, it is minus 4m square. Yes, but it is minus 4m square only. है ना? Second thing is minus 9m plus 5m and minus 7m. So minus 9m plus 5m minus 7m. This is done. What is left now? Only 10. So now we are ready. These two are like terms, they can be simplified. These three are like terms, they can be simplified. And this is single. So this red end thing is coming after some time. Okay. Maybe a little slow, lag is there. One second. If I take different color, okay, I will say a little slowly so that it is fine for you. Now class, 10 is feeling lonely. Okay. Now in these two, I can directly say the answer is 12 minus 4. So take red only. Yellow is not fine. Okay, 12 minus 4 is 8. I can directly write the answer as 8m square. I can write the answer as 8m square, or I can go for taking common. Class, what is common in the first group? 12 is not common. Please tell what is common. M square is common. Okay, if I take m square common, what will be coming in the first position? Please tell. If I take m square common, what will come in the first position? 12 will come. Then there is a symbol of minus sign, minus will come. Then what will come? 4 will come, and bracket will close like this. Now in these three, I can take plus ms common. I can take plus ms common. Now tell me what will come in the first place. Please very carefully observe this thing. Ekta correct, Nana mistake is there. Okay. They are saying yellow color is working faster. Please observe, I have not taken minus m common. I have taken only m common. Class, try to understand. I have taken common m only. So inside we will have minus 9 plus 5 minus 7. Okay, if I had taken minus m common, then signs would have changed. Okay, plus 10. Sir, y plus m is common, y m is not common. बेटा अगर आप m कैसे कॉमन लेंगे? These all are adding actually. If I write like this, see, Rayan, na? Rayan, please see Rayan. If I write like this, you want to say this thing, na Rayan? Please tell. You want to say this thing? Only m is common like this? Rayan, please confirm. Yes. Rayan, try to understand. Whatever you are doing, you can't change the question. If you are writing only m outside like this means m is getting multiplied in all these things. Are we having the question of multiplication between them or addition subtraction? So that is why you need to take this in your mind. When again you will open the brackets, try to understand. The moment you again open the brackets, you should get the same thing back. Ryan, the moment you open the brackets, you should get the same thing back. And if you don't take this plus sign with this m, it will be difficult for you. Okay. Now, see, I could have told you the easier way. I could have told you the easier way. Not taking common also it is possible. अगर हम common नहीं भी लेंगे, then also we get the answer. Why? Let us see. Because 12m square minus 4m square is very simple. 12 minus 4 is 8m square. Similarly, minus 9 plus 5 is how much? Class, please tell me. Please tell. Minus 9 plus 5 is? It is minus 4, minus 7 and minus 4. Please tell. Minus 11. So we will get minus 11m and finally we will get plus 10. So this way also we can get the answer just by solving in the mind. But what I am trying to do is I am trying to show you from where these things are happening. This is the inside machinery. This is the inside machinery. Try to understand. This you can find directly by solving in your mind the like terms, but actually how the answer came is by taking common. Sir, not minus 11, we will get plus 7. Okay, please check. Minus 9 plus 5. Ashmit, please check. Minus 9m plus 5m minus 7m. Three like terms. Minus 9 plus 5 will give you minus 4. Okay, Ashmit, tell me. Minus 9 plus 5 will give you minus 4 and minus 4 minus 7 will give you minus 11 only, not plus 7. Some mistake you have done, please check. Good morning, Abhas. So please tell me now. I know finding the answer directly is way much easier, but the day you understand how to take common, things will become easy for you in the future. Okay, I have added them all. No, but you can't add them all. You can't add them all. Why you can't add them? Because this is m square, this is m, and there is no m at all. These three are unlike terms. These are unlike terms. You can't add them, and this is the simplified answer. This statement is the simplified answer. Sir, but why m in all? Okay, Abhas, although m is there in all, but it is m square over there in the first one, m in the second one, and in the third, m is not there, so you can't add them. Sir, if we understand how to take common, so I should do with which way? If you can do with taking common, that will be better because that will help you to understand it for the future. If you're not taking common, still you will get the correct answer, no problem. But taking common will be better if you do. So please show another method of solving how to take common method. Okay, let us see another example. Let us see the next example. Please see. You all will try with me only. 1 second. Let us take the new page. Now, what do we have? Using column method. Yes, you can do by that also. Column method is also fine, but in the long run, this method will help you a lot. Okay. In the column method, what they're doing is they are writing them in the same line only. Column method. In the column method, what they are doing, let me show you. Suppose the question is 2xy plus 3x square plus 2y and second is suppose 5xy plus 3y minus 2x square. Suppose we have to add these two. Suppose we have to add these two. In the column method, what they are doing is first they are writing this number 2xy plus 3x square plus 2y, and then what they are doing is they are writing the like terms below it. So class C, 5xy will come below this thing because they two are like terms. Tell me, can I write here 3y? Will that be correct? Tell me, will that be correct if I write 3y below 3x square? No, because they are not like terms. Better I write 3y over here. And then we have minus 2x square. So minus 2x square will come over here. This is known as column method, where you write the similar terms one below the other. And you can easily solve now. 2 plus 5 is 7 xy, 3 minus 2 is plus x square, 3 plus 2 is 5y. This method is fine, no problem is there. Ashmit, beta इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं था. We just have written the first thing at the first place and second thing at the second place. Column method is easier. This is the column method. Yes. Now, but I prefer that one because that is also fine in simplification. Let me see how to take common. Yes, that only I'm telling you once again. Yes. So again, let's see one example. One second. One note was fine with then this one, but having some issue. Okay. Yes, the method that I taught you earlier was easier because you only need to write them together and then solve very easily. Okay, just wait for a while. It will be clear. Don't worry. Suppose the example 5 we are taking. Subtract 24ab minus 10b minus 18a from 30ab but it has stucking. Okay, plus 30ab plus 12b plus 40a. Class, first we need to understand. Yes, you can solve through any method. You can solve through any method. Okay, let us see now. We have to subtract this expression from this expression. So which will come first, class? If this is first, this is second, which expression will come first in the subtraction process? Please tell. second will come first. We will have second minus first. So we can write the question as 30ab plus 12b plus 14a first expression minus second expression 24ab minus 10b minus 18a. Class, you can observe I have used brackets. I have told you whenever you have negative sign in between, it is always better to use a bracket, because if I don't use the bracket, this negative influence will not be fine. So this is the horizontal method. This is simple simplification. Okay, don't worry. Now just open the bracket. First of all, open the brackets. You will get 30ab plus 12b plus 14a. Now you can see outside there is a negative sign and then there is a bracket. Can we say this negative will get multiplied in all the three? Class, can we say this thing? This is direct solution. So we can say we have, first we had 24ab, earlier we had 24ab. Sir, why? Okay, बेटा हमने पढ़ा नहीं है, minus into plus becomes minus, all signs will change. Okay, try to understand this way. Try to understand this way. This is kingdom 1. This is, sorry, kingdom 2. This is kingdom 1. Okay, they are both in the battlefield. Kingdom 2 and Kingdom 1 are in the battlefield. Their doors are closed. Class, try to understand. Their doors are closed. To fight, they will open the door. To fight, they will open the door. If outside is positive, everything is same. When you open the door and if you find outside there is a negative sign, what will happen? That negative will change everything inside. So when you open the door of this second expression, what will happen? It will make 24 minus, so minus 24ab. It will make this minus 10b as, please tell me class, it will make minus 10b as plus 10b, and this minus will make minus 18a as plus 18a. So class, now the players are ready for the battle. Kritika is saying why sir. Okay, चलो पहले हम बात करते हैं why sir के बारे में, then we will come back to the question. Okay, let us clear your doubts first. What we have learned till now, 2 into 3 plus 5. This is known as distributive property. Class, क्या आपको ये ध्यान है? Class, do you remember this thing? We have studied a into b plus c is equal to how much? A into b plus a into c. ये हमने पढ़ा हुआ बच्चों? Any problem? If value of a is minus 1, what will be the answer? Please tell me. If value of a is minus 1, what will be the answer? Very simple. Same thing. Minus 1 into b, very good, Naina, plus minus 1 into c, and that is minus b minus c. Bhai, agar outside there is a negative sign, it will obviously change the inside. Very good, Lavya. Correct. This is known as distributive property. If outside there is minus sign, we can take it as minus 1. अगर हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि what is minus, you can take it as minus 1. So you are multiplying minus 1 in every term inside. Let me give you one more example. Let me give you one more example. 1 second. Suppose you have minus 3 into 6a minus 4b. Tell me what is the answer? What is the answer? Please tell. First of all, outside is a negative sign. Nana, one mistake is there. Please check. One mistake is there. You have to observe very carefully. Actually, we are multiplying minus 3 into 6a. Then we are multiplying what? Minus 3 into minus 4b. So plus we have minus 3 into minus 4b. And if you change it, it becomes minus 18a plus 12b. So as I have told you, all the signs inside will change. All the signs inside will change. Try to understand. अगर बाहर एक नेगेटिव साइन है तो ऑल दी साइन इनसाइड विल चेंज. व्हाई? जो पॉजिटिव था वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, जो नेगेटिव था वो पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा. नेगेटिव हैज दिस पावर. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी द क्वेश्चन बैक. This was the question, no? Okay, now see, we have to see outside we have a negative sign. Class, just observe now. Outside we have negative sign. It becomes minus 24ab. It becomes plus 10b. It becomes plus 18a. क्या अब समझ में आया आप लोगों को? If outside bracket there is a negative sign getting multiplied, you just have to change all the signs inside. Yes? Is this clear? Rian? Now we just need to write the like terms together. We have 30. Yes, Lavya, it is fine. Lavya, fine. 30ab minus 24ab. They are like terms. Then we have 12b plus 10b plus 14a plus 18a. So what I have done is I have written all the like terms together, and now you can solve them. 30 minus 24 is how much? Class, please tell me. 30 minus 24 is how much? It is 6ab. 12 plus 10 will give you 22b. Kritika, don't worry. I will take one more example for you. Don't worry. 22b, and 14 plus 18 is how much? Plus 14 plus 18 is 32a. This is the correct answer. Sir, if outside is minus, we have to find inverse of numbers inside the bracket. You can say yes. You can use any method you want. Column method is also easy. This is also easy. It just looks tough to you. It is very easy. Don't worry for this. What is the time right now? Please tell me. Time is 9:50. Na? We can take one more example. Don't worry. Let me take one example for you. It will be clear. Don't worry. Actually, whenever something new comes na, for the first time, it is a problem. Let's take an example more. Suppose we have to add. Okay. No, let's subtract. Let's subtract. That will be better. Subtract 4pq plus, sorry, minus 5q square minus 3p square from 5p square plus 3q square minus pq. Those who have understood this thing, they can find the answer, and others, I am telling you step by step. First of all, you need to understand this expression is getting subtracted from this expression. So you can say kingdom number 2, kingdom number 1. There are two kingdoms in the battlefield. So we have to find kingdom number 2 minus kingdom number 1. Whenever there is negative sign, I have told you, always write the numbers in brackets. Without the boundary, kingdom is not there. any kingdom has some sort of boundary, that is a bracket. First put the brackets. पहले हम दरवाजे बंद करके internal conflicts को खत्म करेंगे. So the first kingdom that will come will be 5p square plus 3q square minus pq. Kingdom closed. Then a minus sign. Second kingdom with the gates closed is 4pq minus 5q square minus 3p square. Now both the kingdoms have their gates closed. Now in the next step we will open the gates. We will open the gates. When we open the gate, we found outside nothing is there. We found outside nothing is there, so no changes inside. जब हमने गेट खोला, आउटसाइड अगर प्लस साइन है या कुछ भी नहीं है, तो नो चेंजेस विल बी देयर. दे विल बी एज इट इज 5p स्क्वायर प्लस 3q स्क्वायर माइनस pq. लेकिन when this kingdom will open the gate, when this kingdom will open the gate, they will find a negative outside. This negative will change everything in them, and those who were positive will become negative, those who were negative will become positive. अच्छे लोग बुरे बन जाएंगे, बुरे लोग अच्छे बन जाएंगे अगर बाहर नेगेटिव होगा तो. कृतिका, डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी. माइनस 4pq प्लस 5q स्क्वायर प्लस 3p square. Sir, how can we add 4p plus 3d? You can't add them. Kritika, you can't add 4p plus 3d because they both are unlike terms. Okay. Now we have 5p square and 3p square. Class, can we say they are like terms? 5p square and 3p square? The answer will be 8p square. Similarly, can we say 3q square and 5q square are the like terms? They will become 8q square. And finally, minus pq minus 4pq. What will we get? Minus pq minus 4pq. No, they will not become positive, Ashmit. Negative and negative, when they are joined, when they are added, they will remain negative. When they are multiplied, then they become positive. It is minus 5pq. Simple. So please explain these type of question in the class also. Acha. Okay. Rachit, I was just trying to say, if outside there is a negative sign, it will change everything inside when you open the bracket. That's it. If outside there is a positive sign, nothing is changed. If outside is a negative sign, everything is reversed. If it was positive, it becomes negative. If it was negative, it becomes positive. Sir, here it is 1pq or not? Yes, you can say 1. If nothing is written, you can take 1 always. Sir, how minus 5pq? Acha, 1 second. We have minus pq and minus 4pq. If I say it is minus 1pq, is it wrong, class? Can I say minus pq is same as minus 1pq? Can I say this thing? I can say, because pq or 1pq are the same thing. So only for understanding, please explain hit and trial method. In this, no use of hit and trial method, beta. Please explain tomorrow also. Okay, I will explain tomorrow also. For the convenience, you can watch the lecture today again and try to solve the questions. Okay, only try to write the like terms together and then solve. Sir, this is related to chapter number 1. Okay. So we can stop over here.